Ever wonder why yawning is so contagious? Turns out, it's your brain's way of staying sharp. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it actually helps cool down your brain. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of cool air, which lowers brain temperature and keeps you more alert. That's why you yawn when you're bored or sleepy. Your brain is literally trying to wake itself up. And yeah, yawning is contagious because of mirror neurons, which make us copy behaviors. Did you yawn while watching this? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain facts.